Hi there, thank you for your inquiry. This here is the 2015 Toyota Tundra TRD Off-Road that you had inquired on. Just going to do a little walk around video with you. Vehicle is a chrome package with the front parking assist sensors, running boards, spray and bed liner, rear parking assist sensor sonar with the backup camera, tailgate lock, 7 pins and 4 pins option, towing package. Vehicle is currently parked inside the old Target building at Westhampton Mall for our mega sales event. Cloth seats in the rear with a 12 volts 120 watts output plug. In the center console there, power windows, power locks, heated side view mirrors, power side view mirrors with the headlight toggling, rear window in the back roll down. This here is the steering wheel audio control with Bluetooth hands-free capability, heated front seats, moonroof, center console automatic, 5.7 liter engine. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to give us a call. This here is the 2015 Toyota Tundra TRD Off-Road. Thank you for your inquiry and thank you for watching.